Welcome, seekers of wisdom and prosperity. Today, I invite you to embark on a journey, one that connects the timeless teachings of Buddhism with the vibrant power of colors. Imagine this, starting your year with a single mindful change that could set the tone for a brighter, more abundant life. What if the colors you choose to surround yourself with could align your energy with the universe, unlocking doors to success, wealth, and inner peace? In Buddhist teachings, colors are more than just visual elements. They are energies. Each hue carries a unique vibration that resonates with specific aspects of our lives. These teachings remind us that everything in the universe is interconnected, including the colors we wear and the intentions we hold. By mindfully embracing these colors, you can channel their energy to attract prosperity and growth into your life. Let's dive deeper into this transformative wisdom. Imagine wearing the color gold, a symbol of enlightenment, spiritual wealth, and abundance. In Buddhist traditions, gold represents the light of wisdom that guides us through challenges, illuminating the path to success. When you wear gold, you align yourself with these qualities, inviting opportunities and clarity into your life. Or consider green, the color of renewal, balance, and growth. It's tied to the teachings of compassion and healing. When you embrace green, you're not only fostering harmony within yourself, but also cultivating an environment that nurtures success and prosperity for those around you. Each color has a purpose, a lesson, a gift. By choosing colors intentionally, you're not just making a fashion statement, you're aligning your actions with the spiritual flow of the universe. And when your energy aligns with the teachings of balance, mindfulness, and compassion, the world responds with opportunities and blessings. So, as you step into 2025, ask yourself, what colors will you choose to weave into your life? What energies will you invite into your journey? This year is your canvas. Let's paint it with intention, guided by the timeless wisdom of Buddhist teachings. Together, let's make 2025 not just a year of living, but a year of thriving. Are you ready to take the first step toward transformation? Let's begin this colorful journey together. Purple is no ordinary color. It holds a profound significance that bridges the gap between material success and spiritual awakening. In Buddhist teachings, colors are not mere visuals. They are energies, pathways to deeper understanding and alignment. Purple stands as a harmonious union of two powerful forces, the grounding vitality of red and the expansive calm of blue. Together, they create a transformative energy that connects the physical and the spiritual. Transformation, as taught in Buddhism, begins within. It's a journey of the soul, a commitment to growth, mindfulness, and openness to change. When you wear purple, you're not simply choosing a color. You are signaling to the universe and to yourself that you are ready to embrace this journey. Purple invites you to embody wisdom, clarity, and abundance. Picture this. You wrap yourself in the richness of a deep purple scarf or slip on a purple blazer. In that moment, you feel a shift. You feel more connected to your higher self, more focused on the intentions that matter most. This isn't about fashion or aesthetics. It's about alignment, an act of harmonizing your energy with the teachings of mindfulness and intention. In Buddhist philosophy, purple is closely associated with the crown chakra, the energy center at the top of your head. This chakra governs spiritual connection and enlightenment. By activating this energy through the color purple, you open yourself to divine guidance, wisdom, and opportunities. Whether you are pursuing a breakthrough in your career, seeking clarity in your personal life, or striving for a deeper connection to your purpose, purple creates a magnetic field for positive energy. The path of transformation is one of courage and intention. As you embrace purple, remember that it's not just about what's on the outside. It's about nurturing the inner self, embodying balance, and unlocking your potential. Are you ready to take this step, to invite the transformative power of purple into your life? As we continue, let's explore another color, one that grounds and nurtures your journey ahead. Let's move forward together. Close your eyes and imagine yourself standing in the heart of a lush forest. The vibrant green of the leaves, the soft moss underfoot, and the canopy of life above. It's more than just a beautiful scene. Green is a color of immense power and meaning. It symbolizes growth, renewal, and harmony. In Buddhist teachings, green is deeply tied to the heart chakra, the center of love, compassion, and generosity. It's a color that invites balance, both within ourselves and in our relationships with the world around us. When you choose to wear green, you're not simply putting on a color. You're embracing the energy of nature's cycles, the continuous flow of life, death, and rebirth. Green reminds us of our connection to the earth and the abundance it provides. It's a signal to the universe that you are open, not just to receiving abundance, but to sharing it freely. This balance of giving and receiving is the foundation of true prosperity. Now, picture yourself wearing green on an important day. Perhaps it's a crucial meeting, a networking event, or even a quiet, reflective walk. The energy you radiate in green is one of trust, patience, and vitality. It's the color of resilience, a reminder that no matter how strong the winds of life may blow, you have the inner strength to remain rooted and grow stronger. Green also encourages stable decision-making and emotional balance, qualities that are essential for navigating the path to financial success and personal fulfillment. By wearing green, you're not just making a statement about style. You're aligning yourself with an energy that fosters growth, calm, and harmony in every aspect of your life. As you embrace this grounding power, think of how you can carry this energy forward. Green isn't just a color, it's a promise to yourself to live in balance, to nurture your dreams with care, and to trust in the abundance that life has to offer. Does green inspire you to embrace its grounding energy? Let's continue this journey by exploring a color that sparks creativity and passion. Together, let's uncover the wisdom hidden in the colors around us. Yellow is more than just a color. It's like a radiant burst of sunlight that fills your life with warmth and energy. In Buddhist teachings, yellow holds a profound significance. It symbolizes clarity, wisdom, and the path to enlightenment. It's a reminder of the light that resides within us all, waiting to shine. When you embrace yellow, you're inviting optimism and creativity into your journey. It's the color that inspires intellectual growth, encourages self-reflection, and nurtures the mind. Monks in their yellow and saffron robes reflect this energy, representing humility and dedication to the pursuit of spiritual truth. This ancient wisdom teaches us that yellow is not just a hue, it's a state of being. Think about how you start your day. Imagine waking up and choosing to wear yellow, a blouse, a scarf, or even a tie. You're not just picking an outfit, you're setting an intention. You're aligning yourself with the energy of the solar plexus chakra, the center of your personal power and confidence. Yellow empowers you to face challenges with courage and clarity. It fuels your inner strength and inspires you to take bold yet thoughtful steps toward your goals. In Buddhist teachings, yellow also reminds us of the importance of balance and detachment. It encourages us to act with purpose, free from ego and attachment, while still embracing the fullness of life's experiences. This balance is the key to unlocking our potential and living with authenticity. So, as you move through your day, let yellow be your guide. Let it remind you to seek clarity, act with intention, and radiate positivity. You have the light within you to inspire others and achieve greatness. Are you ready to embrace the power of yellow and walk a path of enlightenment? Let your journey begin, one bright step at a time. Orange is more than just a vibrant color. It's the embodiment of vitality, passion, and the boundless energy that drives us forward. In Buddhist teachings, orange carries a profound spiritual resonance. It's the color of transformation, the hue of the robes worn by monks to symbolize their devotion to a path of enlightenment and renunciation of material attachments. Orange reminds us to embrace life with both enthusiasm and purpose. This powerful color aligns with the sacral chakra, the energy center that governs creativity, passion, and desire. When your sacral chakra is balanced, you feel inspired, driven, and connected to the flow of life. Orange sparks your inner fire, encouraging you to think beyond limitations and explore the endless possibilities life offers. Imagine starting your day with a touch of orange, a scarf, a bracelet, or even just a vibrant notebook on your desk. You're not simply adding color to your day, you're calling upon its energy. Orange empowers you to step boldly into new ventures, take risks, and pursue your passions with unwavering determination. It's the color of innovation, making it an ideal ally for anyone embarking on a creative project, starting a business, or taking their first steps toward a dream. In Buddhist philosophy, orange also teaches us the importance of balance. Passion and drive are essential, but they must be grounded in mindfulness and compassion. The energy of orange reminds us to collaborate and to seek success not only for ourselves but for the collective good. True wealth is found in the connections we nurture and the shared successes we build with others. So today, let orange inspire you to embrace your creativity and your courage. Let it fuel your passion and remind you of the power of community and collaboration. As you move through life, may this fiery, vibrant energy guide you to live fully, love deeply, and create fearlessly. The journey of transformation begins with one bold step. Are you ready to embrace the power of orange and discover what's possible? Red is not just a color, it's a force of nature. Bold, powerful, and full of life, red symbolizes action, passion, and unwavering determination. In Buddhist teachings, red carries profound meaning. It is deeply connected to the root chakra, the foundation of our physical and spiritual stability. The root chakra anchors us to the earth, representing our sense of safety, security, and belonging. Red is the color of grounding and strength, reminding us to stand firm, even in the face of life's challenges. When you embrace the energy of red, you're connecting to a reservoir of confidence and courage that lies within you. Picture yourself wearing a striking red jacket, stepping into a critical moment in your life. A presentation, a meeting, or a chance to turn your vision into reality. That red jacket isn't just fabric, it's a statement of your power. It declares your readiness to face any challenge, seize opportunities, and turn potential into action. Red fuels your determination to break through doubts and limitations. It's the color of vitality, igniting your drive to push forward with purpose. In Buddhist philosophy, red is also associated with life force and the energy that propels us to act with intention. It reminds us that stability doesn't mean staying still. It's the foundation that allows us to grow, thrive, and achieve our goals. But red isn't just about individual strength. It also reminds us of connection. In Buddhist practices, red is often seen as a symbol of compassion and the courage to care deeply for others. It teaches us that true strength comes not just from self-reliance, but from our ability to support and uplift those around us. So, as you move through your day, let red inspire you. Let it remind you that you are powerful, capable, and unstoppable. Whether you're stepping into a new opportunity, pursuing financial goals, or simply embracing your potential, red is there to guide you, an ally in every bold step you take. Are you ready to harness the transformative energy of red? It's time to ground yourself, act with purpose, and embrace your unstoppable spirit. The true power of colors lies in their ability to work together, creating harmony and synergy that transforms not just your wardrobe, but your energy and mindset. In Buddhist teachings, everything is interconnected, and the same applies to colors. When you blend their meanings and energies, you create a balance that aligns your actions with your deeper intentions. Picture this. combining the grounded growth of green with the radiant optimism of yellow. Green represents renewal, balance, and connection to nature, while yellow ignites creativity, intellectual clarity, and confidence. Together, they create a perfect harmony, encouraging you to grow with purpose and joy. It's like planting a seed in fertile soil and letting the sun nurture it into bloom. Or imagine the profound connection of pairing purple with red. Purple, the color of spiritual wisdom and intuition, merges with the action-driven energy of red, the symbol of stability and courage. This combination brings spiritual empowerment into the material world. It's a reminder that your spiritual practices and personal growth are not separate from your everyday life. They fuel your actions, helping you achieve your goals with clarity and purpose. Buddhist philosophy reminds us of the importance of balance between spiritual and material, stillness and movement, intention and action. Colors can serve as a subtle but powerful guide to achieving this balance. By consciously choosing color combinations that resonate with your goals, you're creating more than just an outfit. You're crafting a visual mantra that supports your aspirations. Every morning, as you stand before your wardrobe, you have an opportunity to set the tone for your day. Are you seeking creative inspiration, a sense of peace, or the strength to tackle challenges? The colors you choose can reflect and amplify your intentions. It's like carrying a piece of your inner mantra with you wherever you go, a constant reminder of who you are and who you're becoming. So, as you explore the transformative power of color, remember that the magic isn't just in the hues themselves, it's in how you use them to express your truth. By blending colors thoughtfully and aligning them with your goals, you're weaving together the threads of energy, intention, and purpose. Are you ready to create your own powerful synergy? Let your colors speak for you, guiding you toward growth, empowerment, and balance, one vibrant choice at a time. As we step into 2025, let's do so with purpose, intention, and a vibrant energy that carries us toward growth and success. This new year isn't just a passage of time. It's an opportunity to transform, to align our actions with our aspirations, and to create a life of abundance and positivity. And one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for transformation lies in the colors we choose to embrace. In Buddhist teachings, colors are more than just visual elements. They represent energies, states of being, and pathways to enlightenment. By consciously incorporating colors into our lives, we can draw on their symbolic meanings to guide our journey. Each color holds its own unique power, whether it's the stability and grounding of red, the creativity and joy of yellow, or the wisdom and clarity of purple. These aren't just shades. They're reflections of the energy we wish to cultivate and attract. Imagine starting your day with intention. Perhaps you choose to wear green to symbolize balance and growth, grounding yourself in the harmony of nature. Or maybe you reach for something orange to spark your passion and creativity, reminding yourself to pursue your dreams with enthusiasm. Each color becomes a tool, a visual mantra that keeps you aligned with your goals throughout the day. 2025 is a chance to step into a higher version of yourself, and colors can be your silent allies on this journey. They remind us to live mindfully, to approach each moment with awareness and purpose, and to carry the teachings of balance and transformation into every aspect of our lives. So, what color will you embrace first as you embark on this year of growth and possibility? Will it be the clarity of yellow, the vitality of red, or the wisdom of purple? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and intentions. If this message resonates with you, share it with others who might also find inspiration in the transformative power of colors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join us on this journey of mindfulness, positivity, and growth. Together, let's make 2025 a year filled with vibrant energy, meaningful connections, and boundless opportunities. Step forward with confidence, purpose, and the colors that inspire you. Let's create the most vibrant and abundant year yet, one intentional choice at a time.